Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. I make you guys a surprise because I don't wear any makeup. So for today's video, I'm gonna share my full makeup because I got a new lipstick and that kind of inspired me to make this video. And I love fall season. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. So I just want to share my daily fall makeup. Anyway, let's get started. First, I put some sunscreen because that's my all-time go-to item whenever I go outside because that protects my skin from the sunlight. I use this product, Life brand oil-free sunscreen lotion. It's really lightweight and it's cheap. So I use it. You can see it's not that too much like shiny. So I already put this sunscreen before applying foundation. So I will start my base makeup. First, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer. It is light beige because I don't want to make my skin too much bright. You know, I have a light color skin tone compared to other Asians, but I just make my skin look natural. So I'm gonna apply this concealer before. This is my skin's really good. By getting older, I get really like acne. So apply it on my skin, especially to hide my redness and what else? Freckles. I forget the word. And then I apply this foundation, Maybelline's Dream Urban Cover. It's a new product, and the color is porcelain. I think this color is too much light on my skin, but after applying it's okay because of my concealer. First, I prefer to use my fingers, then I'm gonna use my, what else, pom pom? I don't know how to say it in English. Yeah, sponge, right? That looks weird. So let's apply it. Actually, it's really hard to filming, talking, and doing my makeup. It looks easy. And there's a big mirror behind of the camera so I can check. So it covers nicely on my skin. I don't want to do heavy makeup. I just want to do natural, and it's a daily makeup, so I don't feel like I need like heavy and thick foundation. So I put some powder on my face. This is from NYX New York color. The color is warm beige. I'm gonna use Eco Tools brush to apply this powder to set all my foundation because it looks a little shiny, right? And a little like lighter on my skin, so this warm beige tone makes the foundation look less like too much bright. Yeah, I should have tested before to get the foundation. It's my fault. So I learned a good lesson, you know. I'm gonna test before getting a new stuff. I set a powder on my skin, and it's fun part doing contouring and blusher. So I apply this NYC Big Bold contouring, and the color is Manhattan. Not Manhattan. Manhattan is funny. And I dropped it, so it was broken, but it's okay. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is from e.l.f. I apply it on my cheek. And a little bit of hairline and my face line. It looks nice and natural and healthy. That's the whole point. When I was young, I just want to look pale, but after getting older and older, I look more healthy and glow. I've been changing a lot. I mean, that's life. I'm gonna give some youthness to my face, so I'm gonna apply this NYX Cheek Glow. The color is West Side Wine. It's like a really like not too much pink color, you know what I mean? Because I don't like that. I want a little mature. So I'm gonna use the same brush. Sometimes I'm lazy and it saves on my time. And it like blends. I don't know how to say in English. It blends together perfectly, so it looks more natural. So I applied it. So I finished my base makeup. It's really easy, and you know, you can just do that 5 minutes. And I'm gonna create an eyebrow. I have a really light eyebrow, so I'm gonna use this e.l.f. kit, and the color is light. I almost use it, you can see. First, I'm gonna apply the powder thingy here because I wanna just draw my eyebrow a little bit. Oh man, it's hard just drawing my eyebrow, not watching the mirror. I'm trying to my best, so don't judge me. Okay. So I draw the structure of my eyebrows and I'm gonna apply this dark, kinda not liquid, but between liquid and powder. Yeah, so I'm gonna set the powder on my eyebrow. It makes my eyebrow more like darker. I need a mirror, so yeah, finished. It's a really fun part because I'm gonna do some eye makeup. So I'm gonna use this eye palette from MAC Classic Cutie. I also made a review video 1 year ago. If you want, you can definitely check. It's not a new product, but it's worth because I love purple color, and if you like purple color, and it's gonna be a perfect eyeshadow palette. You can see the color is really gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply this champagne-ish purple color. It's one of my favorite color of this palette. It reminds me of forward, so I'm gonna apply my eyelid. Great. And actually there's a mirror so I can see my eyes. And I'm gonna apply this dark purple color. It contains pearls, so it looks really gorgeous. I'm gonna use this brush from Naked 3 palette to make my eyes look gorgeous and big. And I'm gonna use this a little darker than this purple color, like a grayish purple color. And I'm gonna apply the tip of my eyelids, and I'm gonna use my fingers to mix them up. Look who's here. It's really great for being a woman because I can change my face by my mood, so it's fun. So I'm gonna apply eyeliner by using this product, Revlon Color Stay. The brush of this eyeliner is really like thick, so it's really easy to apply and make my eyes bold, you know what I mean? Because I love bold eyeliner. To draw eyeliner, I definitely need a mirror, so I'm gonna use this mirror. First, I'm gonna draw the eyeliner. I also made a video about how to draw cat eyeliner, so you can check. So first, it's better to draw the line like this, you see, and also draw the left side. I don't know, whenever I draw eyeliner, I want to sneeze. So fill that up. I draw it like every freaking single day, so it's really natural for me. But I know it's kind of hard to draw the right eyeliner if you're new in this world, but you can definitely do, because I can do, so you can do. The point is like make the tip of the eyeliner sharper. So my eye makeup is done because I don't apply mascara because I wear lenses. I've been telling it a lot, but if you can wear them, just wear them because it makes your eyes brighter and bigger, so it's great. I'm gonna apply highlighter because there's highlighter in this palette here, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use this brush from the NYX blusher. I feel like it's so small to apply blusher, so it's really nice brush to apply highlighter. So I'm gonna use this highlighter here, nose, cheeks, and forehead, and eye bone, inner corner, nice and glow. And the last thing is applying lipstick. I'm gonna apply this lipstick, sorry, eye drop it again, so it's broken, but it's from Wet n Wild, and the color is Sacred Muse. It's kind of purplish, like pink color. I rarely apply, but I just feel like I need the purple color, so. And I always finish my makeup by applying lip gloss. This is from Sexy Mother Burger, and the color is Sugar Peach. So this is the whole makeup I usually do these days. Thanks for watching it, and if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. I feel bittersweet moment a lot this is in Canada because I'm going back home soon in 2 weeks. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous because, you know, small changes, big changes make me anxious, but I feel like I can go through it pretty well. And I'm so excited to see my friends in Korea, so I'm definitely make some fun plans to spend time with them, and I just want to spend more time with myself definitely and my family and friends. By this experience I learned a lot of like the importance of people who support me and near me, so I want to spend more time with them and definitely want to make more content, and I'm doing my best to make this like kind of career thing. I'm not like 100% sure because there are so many things I cannot control, but I like it, so I want to, you know, make it happen, but who knows when I go back. So this is all I want to share for today's video. I hope you guys inspired to do your own full makeup. Anyway, see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you.